I have a 6-year-old daughter and I'm in the trade to do boiler making, and I'm here to show and be a role model to my 6-year-old that female can do anything in the male industry. She actually wants to come and work here and do the exact same thing as I do. She's like, I can't wait to do some welding or fabricating, build the trailers with you.
I started with Drake in admin, and then I completed my certification. Drake supported me in further education, and I came across to the engineering team. So it's a great company to work for. They're very supportive. It feels quite empowering, and I do like to order around. But yeah, I know enough about the processes. I know enough to be part of the team, and it's a very supportive team.
Makes me feel like, I don't know, good to be like a girl. Like, because it doesn't really matter here. They're so inclusive. It doesn't even matter that I'm a girl. They're like nice to me. They include me in everything. Like if they're going to the pub, they say, Erin, do you want to come to the pub? Or if we do something outside of work, like they like golf, which is a bit weird, but they let me go with them, and it's pretty cool. Like I'm just one of the boys.
When I came here for my week work experience, I absolutely loved it. You could not get me off cloud 9. I was so excited. And I found out, I think it was about a week later, they offered me an apprenticeship. I was so excited, I couldn't wait. And being here, it is weird, but I love it because I love doing hands-on things. And these guys make me feel so welcome. Like it's not anything wrong with me, my disability, they're fine, they're with it.
Yes. That's it. I don't know. Normal, I guess. Yeah. We don't feel discriminated or anything. We feel like we fit in with everyone else. Yeah. It's not. I don't know. I don't feel outed by being a female. I just feel like I'm just part of the group. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, my mum was like a stay-at-home mum and dad was a bread maker. Yeah, she's pretty proud. Happy that I can go out and give it a hug though. I think it's good that I can work in a workplace where we have equal rights and we're able to do everything that a male-dominated workforce can do. Yeah.
No, I haven't had any negatives. I knew that going to uni in high school that the industry I wanted to get into would have a lot of males, and I was prepared for that, and I've had a really good experience here.
Yeah, it's good to see more women coming in, being able to bond with other people that are women and not feeling so alone in a big place.
No, all my life I've worked in a role where it's been mainly men, so I'm happy to just progress forward as much as I can and prove that women can do just as much as men.
Yeah, they're kind of building you up to become better.
In the early 80s, I worked in an engineering place for probably about 5 years, and at that point we had no female apprentices. The paymaster, not a paymistress, all of the major roles in the industry were men. You were allowed to be possibly a typist. These days, here we have apprentices who are girls, we have paymistresses, we have salespeople who are women, we have an engineering section that has women. It's such a big difference.
Okay. My name is Maggie Drake and I work in senior management at the Drake Group. I started within our company as a store person with maybe one other female on the floor. I worked my way around to the fitting section with stints in purchasing, production, inventory and finance. As I look at our workforce today, nothing makes me happier than seeing more and more women around the workplace. I'm excited for the opportunities our company can offer females, as well as how us as women can make our mark in this industry for generations to come.